guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Happy Friday. Today's video is all about lip care, more specifically on how Korean skincare has inspired me to create this amazing lip care routine just for you guys. Korean skincare is where I go to when I want beautifully hydrated, glass-looking skin. You guys know the 10-step Korean skincare routine is widely known, but what about your lips? Today I'll be sharing with you guys my in-depth lip care routine inspired by Korean skincare that's going to give you supple, soft, hydrated, and kissable lips. Here are a few things to ask yourself if you do have lip issues. Are they constantly chapped? Do you bite or pick your lips? And do you find that no matter what you do, your lips are always dry? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you gotta watch this video. I start out in this video with dry, chapped, picked lips. As you guys know, I have this really weird habit of picking my lips. But at the end of this video, you're gonna see completely something different when it comes to my lips, and you have to watch until the end to see the before and after. If you guys haven't done this already, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. I post weekly and I'd love for you guys to join the fam. Alright, let's get started and show you guys my in-depth lip care routine.
To start, I always want to make sure my lips are clean. So here I'll be using some micellar water from Bioderma and just lightly going over the lips, taking off any bacteria, makeup, leftover lip balm, whatever it is, just to make sure that it's all nice and clean. The next tip is using a hot towel to gently exfoliate the lips. This is really going to help prepare your lips for the next step, which is going to be steaming. Steaming your skin is a huge part of Korean skincare, and that's why steaming your lips is equally as important. This step makes the biggest difference. I steam my lips for a minute or two. I don't put it directly over, but it is quite hot. This is really gonna help just get rid of that dead skin and revive your lips. And what do we do next? We scrub, scrub, scrub. Here I'm just using the fresh strawberry face wash, which is one of my favorites, and I'm just scrubbing this all over my lips. This is going to remove that dead skin, and it's going to be so much easier to remove because we've steamed the lips. After about 30 seconds, I'm going to gently wipe clean. This next tip is going to instantly plump your lips. Grab an ice cube and just run it over your lips. The hot from the steam and the cold from the ice is really going to improve circulation in your lips, and it'll just be super refreshing. Once I'm done this, I'm just going to gently pat it dry. Now for the last part, I'm going to wear a lip mask. I'll link down below where I got this. This is like a Life brand. I just got it at Shoppers Drug Mart. It's one of my favorites. It's super cheap and affordable, and honestly, it makes your lips look so amazing. Like, just take a look at that and scrub forward to the beginning of the video. My lips were dry, chapped, and gross, and now look, instantly healed. This routine takes maybe 5 minutes and you're left with gorgeous, beautiful, supple lips. Super easy, right? If you want to see more tips, tricks, and hacks, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye for now!